The highlight of the evening was the experience shared by the wives of the cricketers.
Seems like a lifetime. We've enjoyed bonding with the old cricketers. Old, I mean the guys who played with my husband.
Dilip, I hope you're listening to that, so.
Old, I mean the years we spent together.
Okay.
And Jaideep, thank you very much.
I don't know what to say. I'm so happy to be here. And I want to stay a little more, but my husband has to get back home.
Husbands are a
Let him go.
pain.
You stay back.
Okay, let's move on. Who's there?
Really enjoyed this trip and the hospitality given to us by Finnair Resort. And it was just wonderful to meet everybody after a very long time. And we all got back together as if, we just met yesterday. And it was really wonderful.
Thanks everyone. I enjoy the wild, so that's something like very close to Roger and me. Jaideep know that. Thanks a lot.
We've seen and experienced really the bush from another angle. We've also loved meeting and seeing the Indian cricketers. We only hear about you and we want to come over and experience. So thank you so very much. I know I'm not supposed to say it, but Jaideep, well, thank you very much.
I'd just like to thank all the rangers for the wonderful trips we've had and all the knowledge they've imparted. Thank you.
Thank you to everybody who put it together, and I just personally love meeting a couple of days in Jaideep. It was wonderful to see you. You threatened my husband all those years. It was wonderful to spend time with all the Indian cricketers and their wives. Thank you.
I love matches like this where I don't have to worry about what he does. But it's been great, and I think, as everyone has said, that the Vinda staff has been great, and the Rangers have been great, and the match has been great. Thank you.
Jaideep have been really wonderful. The way they've organized everything is just simply fantastic. To organize something like this in the middle of nowhere, it's and for us to be here, it's very special because we went to Interlaken together and we had such a wonderful time. It's difficult, but it sort of brings back a lot of memories, and I think Tiger would have been very happy here. So it's thank you very much.